How are you? This is Ben with Vessel Futures Trading. Good morning to my Discord community. We're back in the market. Of course, we're going to cover today, continue to cover today the NASDAQ contract. I want to say welcome to the new affiliates that joined the program. Welcome to the new people on the Discord server. As usual, as always, as I'm saying, in this morning it was especially good to see this server expanding and new trader jumping in and bringing value to the community. We have another big news. We open a WAP page for you to run the community on a more upscale way. Of course, you can find all the details for the WAP in our social media channels within the Discord. If you're not part of the Discord, join the Discord. It's completely free. The WAP basically gonna show you in more build-up way what we offer as far as courses, Discord membership, etc. If you want to expand your knowledge, of course, this is the platform to find it in the most easiest way, most organized fashion. So of course, I will publish also over here links in the description box. Let's jump into the market. Obviously, we're already in a position. We already see we are on basically 11,000 up, going towards the $13,000. Of course, it's nothing by coincidence. We're now looking at the 4 hours interval. We took a long position under understanding that basically if the price was going up, we exit to a limit coming within the night. We woke up and this is the result. Thank God. Let's try to analyze this, basically going on a 50-minute interval. And obviously in the 50-minute interval, we saw exactly why we took this position. We saw how the price basically climbed from supply, drove down to demand and touched the supply once more, started to charge energy, of course, and going down all the way to this supply area, right? Demand area right here, going towards the major supply on the top. Of course, we can stretch this position all the way over here, make it a nice 1670K position. Of course, why not? And we only knowing this because we're still understanding where the trend is going. We rely after covering the market for such a long time. Of course, within the Discord channel, we're going to offer more position. Those of you who want to copy trade, of course, there's a private room for this with paid up membership with very discount price. You can find it on the web as well. We're gonna, as I said before, we're gonna publish over here the links to the web. We're moving all the platform of the teaching of the course to the web. So those of you who was interested to take the course in more organized fashion way, you can find now on the platforms. Of course, you can purchase the course from that platform as well. And I'm going to see you on the next market overview. Of course, regarding to this position, we're going to cover it in the group until we're going to reach the 17K goal. Those of you who have more premium memberships and VIP memberships, of course, will have the chance to go more about this position and more position ahead. I want to wish you successful trading, and I'm going to see you on the next market overview. Thank you for watching.